Whisk.
Whisk.
She beats the eggs with a whisk.
She beats the eggs with a whisk.
Ladle.
Ladle.
The soup is served with a ladle.
The soup is served with a ladle.
Tongs.
Tongs.
Use the tongs to pick up the hot food.
Use the tongs to pick up the hot food.
Spatula.
Spatula.
I use a spatula to flip the eggs.
I use a spatula to flip the eggs.
Peeler.
Peeler.
I peel the carrot with a peeler.
I peel the carrot with a peeler.
Grater.
Grater.
He grates cheese with a grater.
He grates cheese with a grater.
Colander.
Colander.
Wash the vegetables in the colander.
Wash the vegetables in the colander.
Strainer.
Strainer.
I use a strainer to filter the tea.
I use a strainer to filter the tea.
Rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Roll the dough with a rolling pin.
Roll the dough with a rolling pin.
Knife.
Knife.
Be careful with the knife.
Be careful with the knife.
Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Chop the onion on the cutting board.
Chop the onion on the cutting board.
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Pour milk into the seizuring cup.
Pour milk into the seizuring cup.
Measuring spoon.
Measuring spoon.
Add salt using a measuring spoon.
Add salt using a measuring spoon.
Potato masher.
Potato masher.
She bought a new potato masher yesterday.
She bought a new potato masher yesterday.
Pot.
Pot.
The soup is in the pot.
The soup is in the pot.
Pan.
Pan.
She fries fish in a pan.
She fries fish in a pan.
Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
I cook fast with a pressure cooker.
I cook fast with a pressure cooker.
Rice cooker.
Rice cooker.
I cook rice every day using a rice cooker.
I cook rice every day using a rice cooker.
Kettle.
Kettle.
I boil water in a kettle.
I boil water in a kettle.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
The dishwasher washes the plates.
The dishwasher washes the plates.
Apron.
Apron.
I always wear an apron when I cook.
I always wear an apron when I cook.
Blender.
Blender.
This blender can crush ice easily.
This blender can crush ice easily.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Crack the eggs into a bowl.
Crack the eggs into a bowl.
Chopstick.
Chopstick.
He dropped his chopstick on the floor.
He dropped his chopstick on the floor.
Juicer.
Juicer.
I use a juicer to make fresh orange juice every morning.
I use a juicer to make fresh orange juice every morning.
Microwave.
Microwave.
Reheat the soup in the microwave.
Reheat the soup in the microwave.
Cutlery.
Cutlery.
I bought a new cutlery set yesterday.
I bought a new cutlery set yesterday.
Mixer.
Mixer.
This mixer has 5 speed settings.
This mixer has 5 speed settings.
Funnel.
Funnel.
I use a funnel to pour oil into the bottle.
I use a funnel to pour oil into the bottle.
Dish rack.
Dish rack.
We bought a new dish rack for the kitchen.
We bought a new dish rack for the kitchen.
Deep fryer.
Deep fryer.
She bought a new deep fryer last week.
She bought a new deep fryer last week.
Garlic press.
Garlic press.
She cleaned the garlic press after using it.
She cleaned the garlic press after using it.
Kitchen paper.
Kitchen paper.
I use kitchen paper to clean the table.
I use kitchen paper to clean the table.
Jar.
Jar.
I put the jam in a jar.
I put the jam in a jar.
Fork.
Fork.
Mash the mixture with a fork.
Mash the mixture with a fork.
Gas stove.
Gas stove.
We cook with a gas stove.
We cook with a gas stove.
Cleaver.
Cleaver.
The butcher holds a big cleaver.
The butcher holds a big cleaver.
Oven glove.
Oven glove.
She wore an oven glove to take out the hot tray.
She wore an oven glove to take out the hot tray.
Toaster.
Toaster.
He bought a new toaster on sale.
He bought a new toaster on sale.
Sponge.
Sponge.
I wash the dishes with a sponge.
I wash the dishes with a sponge.
Broom.
Broom.
Grab a broom and let's clean up.
Grab a broom and let's clean up.
Plate.
Plate.
This plate is very clean.
This plate is very clean.
Fridge.
Fridge.
There's no food in the fridge.
There's no food in the fridge.
Glass.
Glass.
I drink water from a glass.
I drink water from a glass.